हाँ जी, 9C. Welcome back to the class. The side Pooja Sharma, your physics teacher. Okay, so all good? Fantastic, very good, very good. It's only because you have done it. Yes. Plus, you know, the things are going to be difficult, the things are going to be easy. It's not that only this much is coming or only this much we have done. For many, it will be difficult also if you have not done it. Yes. So trust me, be regular, do your work regularly, be particular about your subjects. It's going to be the same every time. Every time you give exam, you feel the same. Find that it is good one, you understood, you have done it well. Okay, any question from the PT? Anybody? Anji Jogan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam.
Ma'am, I have no question, but I just want to say that when I have submitted the link first time, the visible.
Okay,
So
no
please
problem, no
check
problem.
the second response.
No problem, we will do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Can we start with the class? Okay. So who is going to do the recap of the topic covers in the previous class? Who is going to do the recap? Anji, Avleen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, we have done about acceleration, ma'am, that is the rate of change of velocity. Ma'am, we have learned that acceleration is of two types. Ma'am, that is positive acceleration and second is negative acceleration. Ma'am, in positive acceleration, the acceleration in which final velocity is greater than initial velocity. Ma'am, in negative acceleration, in which final velocity is smaller than initial velocity. The formula of negative acceleration can be v is greater than u, v is smaller than u, and in positive, v is greater than u. Ma'am, and the formula of acceleration is change in velocity divided by time taken. Ma'am, and it can also be denoted as final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. Ma'am, and negative acceleration is also known as retardation, deceleration, and deacceleration. Ma'am, then you have told to how to write a numerical, and we have also solved a numerical of it.
Okay. So we have done about acceleration and the types of acceleration, the positive and the negative one. Yes. Any confusion till there, first of all? Any confusion in acceleration, positive acceleration, negative acceleration? Anji. Okay. What if I increase the velocity? Is it positive or negative? Anji Vanshu.
I'm positive.
Positive. What if I apply the brakes?
Ma'am, then also positive.
No. Brakes means you decrease the speed.
Ma'am, but it will not go in the negative signs.
It will go. Okay. Let's talk to this point once again. Fine. Okay. So listen. You move from one point to another. Let's say it is 20 km/h velocity in the beginning. There is no traffic. You increase the velocity to 50 km/h. Now here you go from 20 to 50. Whenever we find the total distance covered or something like that, we do final minus initial. For example, if I say that you started your journey from the point where it is written 3 kilogram.
ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ
You started from a point where it is written 3 kilometer and then you reach to the point where it is written 7 kilometer. Fine. So what is the distance you covered? You will do 7 minus 3 and you will get the answer as 4 kilometers. Okay? So what you did is where you reached final minus from where you started, that is the initial. Fine. Similarly, in this case, you started from the point where it is written 20. You reach to the point where it is written 50. So how much? You covered from 20, you increased till 50. So what is the change in velocity in this case? It is 50 minus 20. So what the answer you get? The change in velocity is 30 kilometer per hour. Yes. But if you go in the reverse, if you apply the brakes, let's say you go from one position to another. In the beginning, you have a velocity of 70 kilometer per hour. There is a huge traffic in front of you. You have to switch, you have to apply the brakes and you have to go to 10 kilometer. बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक है आगे और आपको अपना velocity decrease करना पड़ा. ठीक है हिमांशु? Now in this case, because you decrease from 7 to 10, decrease हुआ है. So final is what? 10 minus initial is what? 70. So you will get minus 60. Minus means opposite. Opposite means there is a decrease. Fine. When you increase, you will get plus sign. That shows that you speed up. When you speed down, there will be negative sign. It means that you slow down the speed. Is this clear? So this is what we say negative acceleration. So when you increase the speed, it is positive acceleration. When you decrease the speed, it is negative acceleration. Students with camera off, you will be removed from the class. A last message to all of you. If I see any student with camera off, you will be immediately removed from the class without any further notice. And your attendance will be marked at the last. Kindly keep this in mind. If you will be removed from the class, Jashan, Sukhmanjot, your attendance will not be marked. Okay, ji. Let's move on with the topic for today. I'll be writing the question onto the screen. We are going to proceed on with the numericals today. Sani, I'm just going to take your doubt, okay? Just wait for a minute. Let me just write the numerical. So you don't have any doubt? Okay. Angie.
Ma'am, first thing that I want to join from another device. So can you enter from that? And one doubt I have that when the velocity doesn't change, like you said 50 kilometers, we do not increase the speed, neither decrease. If it is remaining same, then also it's positive acceleration.
No, we are going to talk about that question only, okay? With the help of the numerical. Okay, I have opened the link. You can join from the another. Then I'm going to close it again.
Thank you.
Okay, beta. Angie, so please write down the question. An object moves with a constant velocity of 36 meter per second for 1 minute. Find its acceleration. Find its acceleration. An object moves with a constant velocity of 36 meter per second for 1 minute. Find its acceleration. And so try to solve this. So you have the different steps to solve the numerical. Given, conversion, formula used, substitution, and the last is the result and the unit. Vaja, please mute yourself. Okay, so I have written the steps on one side for your reference. Hanji, who got the answer? Hanji, Himanshu.
Ma'am, what will be the final velocity and initial here?
That you have to check. That is the demand of the question where you need to stress onto. Okay, so do that. Otherwise, give a try once. Otherwise, we are going to do it. एक बार दोबारा से क्वेश्चन पढ़ो अच्छे से. हाँ जी, Evelyn, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I think it is 0.6 meter per second.
0.6. Okay. हाँ जी, Smriti.
Ma'am, I got 0.6 meter per second square.
Okay. So Evelyn and Smriti, same answer. So we got 2 votes. Yes. Chal. हाँ जी, Joban.
Ma'am, I also same answer.
You're also same. Okay. हाँ जी, Himanshu. Your hand is raised. Acha, okay. Anyone else? So till now we are getting the answer as 0.6 meter per second square. We need to be a little quick. but don't be so quick that you do it wrong. Fine. Understand the demand of the question and then solve it accordingly. First, you have to write the given, likh lo. Then see if any conversion needed. If needed, do that. Then apply the accurate formula. Substitute the values in the formula. Get the result. Hanji. Joban, Sanya, Smriti. It's not that you will just sit and relax. Once again, look onto the question. Fine. बाकियों से सॉल्व भी नहीं हो रहा और आपने 1 मिनट में कर लिया. हाँ? Either you have understood it very well or you are overconfident. So you don't need that. Yes. So just meanwhile others are solving, just give a try to it once again. Read the question once again. See what is the demand of the question, how you have done that. I'm not saying it is wrong. I'm not saying it is right. We are going to have the answer soon. Let everybody try. Okay. Anyone else? So beta, the answer which you got is wrong. This is not the answer. Fine. I am saying one thing again and again, stress onto the question. Don't hurry with the answer. Give time to the question. Read the question carefully. Fine. What is acceleration? Acceleration is, the answer lies over here. And Sania, this is your answer as well, the question you asked. What is the definition of acceleration? What is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity divided by time taken. Yes. Change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay. Now listen, I'm stressing onto 2 words. Please look onto the screen very carefully. One word is change. Means whenever you have to talk about acceleration, there has to be a change in the velocity. Velocity may change hona is very required. Fine. Okay. The second word I want to stress onto is constant. What do you mean by constant? Same. Fine. So object moves with the same velocity for 1 minute. उसकी velocity ना increase हुई ना decrease हुई. Acceleration is a change in velocity. There has to be a change, only then you will get the acceleration. But in the question they are saying that the object move with a constant velocity. I hope now you understood. Okay. Now look onto the screen. What this question says that let's say you go from a point to another. In the starting, your velocity is 36 meter per second. For the coming 1 minute, you keep on moving with the 36 meter per second only. Fine. So A is equal to V minus U over T. Final velocity 36 minus initial velocity 36 divide by time 1 minute है, इसको हम second में change करेंगे, so it will be 60. 36 minus 36 is going to be 0 divided by 36, and 0 divided by 60. 0 divided by something, it is going to be 0 meter per second square. I hope it is clear. Anji Smriti.
Ma'am, we take the initial velocity as 0.
Why? Have they said
Ma'am, because-
somewhere that the object started from rest? Is it mentioned anywhere? No. Okay? So we can take the initial velocity 0 if it says that the object starts from rest and moves with a velocity of 36 meter per second. अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन होता तब आप इनिशियल वेलोसिटी लेते 0. If they say the object starts and moves with velocity 36, तो मतलब start मतलब 0 से शुरू हुआ and the final is 36. The question can be the object moving with the velocity of 36 after 1 minute comes to rest. तो फिर final 0 हो जाना था. When it comes to rest later. Fine. But here nothing like that is mentioned. They are saying that for 1 minute, the object is moving with a constant speed. See, अगर हमने कुछ भी measure करना है, we can. It's not only that we always have to start from 0 to a particular point. Let's say this is Daswa, this is Hoshiarpur, fine, and we are just calculating the answer from this point to this point. Let's say, fine. So these are the two positions. Here it is 36. 1 minute 36 velocity. So there is no change. They're not saying you started from some point, you end at some point. Just they are saying for 1 minute. I hope it is clear. Done? Okay. Can we move on with the next question? Fine. Please write down an object covers a distance of 16 meter in 4 seconds This is, if you have your book, this is question number 8.1, example 8.1. Fine. If you have book, if you don't have, I have written it onto the screen. You can go with it directly. Anji. Instead of writing here average velocity, you can, for the time, write here average speed. Speed. Let's talk about speed first. Even if you have a straight path, then the velocity or the speed one is the same thing. Fine. Just velocity is what? Speed in a straight path. Okay. Okay, so what the question says that you are covering some distance. Fine. The first 16 meters are covered in 4 seconds. Another 16 meter are covered in 2 seconds. What is the average speed? What is the average speed? Hanji Avleen, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I have got my answer is 5.3 meter per second. 5.3 meter per second.
Okay. Hanji Himanshu.
Ma'am, you have written there D1, ma'am. It will not be S1.
Means
Ma'am, the symbol of distance is S.
the symbol of distance is D also, S also. Varying upon distance hai ke displacement hai na? So we can take it as D also.
Yes. Okay.
Like we write the speed is equal to distance over time. Okay. Or it's good if you write the complete of it rather than writing this, है ना? So we are going to write here first distance 1, that is 16 meter. Distance 2, that is 16 meter. Time 1 is given 4 seconds. Time 2 is given 2 seconds. Average speed you have to find out. Fine. Hanji, Harman, Hanji beta.
I think it's 5.3 meters per second.
ठीक है जी. Okay. So given we have written average speed we have to find out. Given के बाद next step is conversion. Jobani, your answer is same. Okay then good. Okay. So second step is conversion. Fine. Conversion, there is no conversion because distance is also in the standard meter में है, time भी second में है. So conversion step we will not do. Then is the formula. So average speed is equal to total distance covered, divide by total time taken. Total distance covered divided by total time taken. Fine. So, Gaganjeet, are you writing? Okay. So, total distance is 16 plus 16. Total time is 4 plus 2. So, 16 plus 16 is 32. 4 plus 2 is 6. 32 divided by 6. When you solve it, you will get the answer as 5.33 meter per second. Try to go with 3 points after the decimal. 3 numbers after the decimal. Then bring it to 2 numbers after the decimal. सिर्फ डेसिमल के बाद 1 नंबर नहीं रखोगे, 2 numbers नहीं रखोगे. You will divide it till 3 numbers. And then you will bring it back to 2 digits after the decimal. I tell you the reason why. I know that you are aware of, but maybe somebody is not, so I will tell you. But chaliye, write it down first. I hope this is done. Okay, children, the thing is, let's say you have the number 3.463 Another number 3.765, another number 8.657, something like this. Fine. So it is said that, let me write again. So let's say you have these numbers. It is said that take 3 digits after the decimal. Fine, because we are not going to leave it to 2. We don't know about the third. If it is like the proper division going on, you are left up with nothing at the last, then it is okay. If you are getting the remainder again and again, then you have to at least go till 3 values, 3 places after the decimal. Then you have to check the third place. If it is smaller than 5, just remove it. If it is 5 or greater than 5, you will remove it, but you will add 1 in the previous number. I guess you know this. Okay. Now in this case, the last number is 4, which is smaller than 5. So we simply remove it and we get the answer as 3.76. It is 5 in the next case. So if you have 5 or more than 5, you will add 1 in the next number. तो यहाँ पे 5 की जगह पे क्या आएगा 6 and this will be removed. Fine. If it is greater than 5, also then the same thing. You will remove 7, but you will add 1 in the previous number, in the first number. So 6 is going to be the answer. Then the 7 will be raised. Fine. So you have to follow this. That is why I told you that go with at least 3 digits after the decimal. Chale, moving on with the next question. Is it clear till here? Okay. So can I have any suggestion on to the numericals? Are you facing much difficulty in numericals? Are they okay for you? Are you able to understand? Okay. So please, I must say that don't listen to anyone around. हम numericals solve करेंगे, numericals are easy. हम नहीं solve करेंगे. We will just study the numericals, we will just read it, and then it will be just hodgepodge in the exam, then it is very difficult. Fine. So numericals are very good. But question समझ में आना चाहिए. चलिए, moving on with the next question. An odometer, this is 8.2. Okay, what is odometer? Anji Himanshu.
Ma'am, which tell us distance traveled by any vehicle.
Yes, like you have it in the car that how much car, like for what is the distance covered by the car, है ना, till date. Or you have the same kind in the automobiles. When you sit, they just on it, and then where you reach, they just off it, and according to the kilometers, they charge it from you. Yes. Okay. So odometer in car reads 2000 kilometers in start of trip and 2400 kilometer at the end of trip. At the end of trip. If the trip took 8 hours, find the average speed in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. Chalo. Odometer read 2000 kilometer in the start of trip, 2400 kilometer at the end of trip. If the trip took 8 hours, find the average speed and find it in kilometer per hour as well as in meter per second. And solve it. Anji Joban.
Ma'am, it is 50 kilometer per hour.
Very good. Anji Harman, you got the same answer? Harman. Anji beta.
550 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour.
50. ठीक है जी, ठीक है. So odometer reads in the beginning 2000 kilometer, fine, and when you finish it is 2400. So what is the total distance you covered? That is 400 kilometer. Divide by the time it took is 8 hours. So पहले हमने किलोमीटर पर आवर में आंसर बताना है, तो कन्वर्जन नहीं करेंगे. Yes, you have to write the given, you have to write the formula. Fine. Then 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, and one more 0. So 8 50s are 400. So it is 50 kilometer per hour. Then you have to bring it to meter per second also. They are saying that find the answer in kilometer per hour as well as in meter per second. So for that 50 multiply by 5/18. Now I guess you are clear with why we have multiplied with 5/18. Is this point clear? Why we multiply with 5/18? I told it to you in the previous class that whenever you have it in kilometer per hour, kilometer means 1000 meter, hour means 3600 second, and 1000 divided by 36 always gives you 5/18. So rather than doing those calculations, we directly write 5/18. Now multiply 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 25s are 50, 25 into 5, 125 divide by 9. Now you are going to solve it. Don't leave it in the fraction like this over here. So divide it. 125 divide by 9. 9 ones are 9. We left up with 3 and 5. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36, which is greater. So 9 threes are 27. We left up with 8. Putting a point here, you will get 0. 9 nines are 81, which is greater. So 9 eights are 72. You will get again 8, again 0, again 8s are 72, again you will get 8, again 0, again 8s are 72. So it will keep on going like this. What do you get? You get 13.888. So we will do it till 3 after the decimal. Then the last you are going to remove because it is greater than 5. So in the second term, you have to add 1. So it will be 13.89. आगे unit भी आएगा, that is meter per second. And any confusion? Okay, let me just take the attendance. Hanji, is it done, beta? Okay, children, I am going to take your attendance now. And if I speak your name, you can then leave. Okay. Okay. Any question before you leave? Any question? Hanji Himanshu. Yes, beta.
Unlike we got the answer 13.888 meter per second.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we can leave it here only. We have to
Yes.
do that.
After decimal, we go with 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 places after the decimal. But for that, हम कम से कम 3 करेंगे. उसके आगे you don't do that.
Ma'am, no, we have to write that 13.89.
Yes, you have to do that. Yes, beta. The answer is 13.89. Because 8 अगर तो होता कि 13.88 उसके बाद खत्म. There is no remainder after that. Then it is okay. Fine.
Yes.
But now though we are having the values after that also, na? So we have to convert it. Like I told you that
How
the
remainder?
third is greater than 5. So you have to remove it, but you have to add 1 in the previous number. Hanji.
Ma'am, if remainder is not left, then we not
then
have to
so-
do this.
Then you are not going to. Then it is 13.88. उसके बाद अगर थर्ड
Okay.
वैल्यू है ही नहीं तो फिर कुछ नहीं लिखोगे. Then तो definitely you are not. 9 हमने क्यों लिखा? Because we have the third value and that is greater than 5. That is why. अगर हमारे पास होता 13.883, then it will be 13.88 क्योंकि 3 is smaller than 5. ठीक है ना? चलो. Any other question? Can we have attendance now? Keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.